This is an overview video from a freelancer using the Upwork platform about how you can use it and get set up very quickly. Now, Upwork doesn't accept everyone who wants to work as a freelancer on the site. If you've never heard of Upwork before, it's the world's biggest freelance marketplace where prospective clients post a job and then freelancers put in proposals or what they would recommend as far as budget and how long it would take them to complete the gig. And if the client sees someone they want to work with, they will select that person, fund escrow through Upwork, and then you will work together. Upwork is essentially your intermediary, third party that's holding those escrow funds or giving you payment protection for hourly jobs. Like I said, Upwork's not going to take everybody. If they have a lot of experienced freelancers in a category, they may decline your profile being added to the site for the time being. That doesn't mean forever. You can do yourself a great service by putting in a lot of effort to present a powerful background about who you are and what you bring to the table. Ultimately, Upwork's best interests are when they have high-quality freelancers on the site for clients to choose from. So they're looking at not only your background, but also whether or not there's enough demand on the site for another freelancer to be added. So if you're trying to pitch yourself to be on Upwork, take a look at the type of jobs that are already posted. You can go in and see any given day what jobs have been added, what clients are looking for, and this will tell you whether or not you have the marketable skills that may get picked up by clients. Now, plenty of job postings, of course, doesn't guarantee that you'll still be selected to be on the site. Don't give up hope, though. There are so many different ways to market your freelance business, and Upwork is just one of them. Things may change over time where they have more bandwidth to take on more freelancers, but when you do put together your initial materials to work on Upwork, I recommend that you present yourself as professional and high quality as possible, because it's really going to be hard for them to turn down someone who seems like an obvious fit. A lot of people are very sloppy with the way that they put together their samples and the way they present themselves, which is hard to believe, but it happens all the time on Upwork when people are bidding, as well as when someone's trying to launch their career on Upwork. So make sure that everything you put forward to represent yourself is of the highest quality, the best of your ability. No mediocre work, no work that you spent a little bit of time on. You really need to come across as a compelling candidate, because what is Upwork's bottom line? They want you to earn money because they earn money when you earn money. So it's in their best interest to find someone who can meet client needs, but someone who comes across as really compelling and an obvious choice. The fastest way to become an Upwork freelancer is just like I said, go on the site, see what other jobs have been posted, make a count. You know, in the last week, how many jobs with your specific skill set were posted by clients? And does that mean that this is a marketable skill that you have? A lot of different people land work on Upwork, including writers, virtual assistants, graphic designers, video editors, web designers, web developers, voiceover artists, you name it. There's a lot of freelancers and freelance opportunity on Upwork, but doing this additional research ahead of time will help you to earn money fast if you are able to get approved onto the site, because you'll already know that your skills are marketable, and now you just have to go about finding those jobs and submitting bids. For more information about growing your Upwork profile, presence, and reputation, subscribe to this YouTube channel and this playlist.